Ahoy, mateys! Captain Microwave is going to be nuking a tropical treat for you, and that is the coconut. And this item was actually suggested back in season 2 by Larudy. I think that's how you pronounce his name. And I hadn't been able to get around to doing it until just now. And I'm hoping the suggestion is as cool as I think it'll be. Thank you, larudy, for the suggestion. And if you have some time, check out his awesome microwaving show called The Microwaving Alphabet. Anyway, I'm going to be nuking this coconut in this microwave, and I'm hoping that when it goes off, it just totally demolishes everything. I want that door blown open, possibly off, and I want pieces of coconut everywhere, and I hope this kicks the breaker. If it doesn't at least blow the door open and kick the breaker, I'm going to be mighty disappointed. Now it's time to put the coconut into the microwave. Put it right there. Maybe I'll move it closer up to the front so you can actually see it better. I'm hoping that this is like the egg times 10. I'm going to microwave it for an awful long time because coconuts have really thick shells. Now with that aside, it's time to get microwaving, and I'm going to cook this for 35 minutes to ensure it goes off. I have it taped to a brick, so I don't have to be near it while it's microwaving. And due to the nature of this experiment, this is going to be one that I'm going to start with the remote arm. I think that coconut did all it's gonna do. Alright, looking at that coconut, extremely disappointing. I was hoping that it would explode. Just explode violently like boom. All it did was leak coconut juice. That was a real letdown. I think it might have split down the middle. I'm gonna... You know, when something doesn't go off that you think would, that's when it's time to worry. Looks like the coconut did split a little down the middle. And although there were some nice pops, it was extremely disappointing. However, I'm still going to have to err on the side of bad idea, as in do not try this at home. But maybe I just picked the wrong coconut to do this with. But sorry for wasting your time, guys. I promise to make up for it in a future episode where there's a nice epic boom. But sometimes that's how things work, or maybe coconuts just aren't meant to explode when microwaved. But either way, this is a bad idea because it does just leak juice everywhere. There's no good reason to microwave a coconut and it splits and there's smokes and there's still that potential for popping, but I just can't get over how disappointed I am that this didn't turn out right. Yeah, maybe the next experiment I do will make up for this when I microwave the game controller.